Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So I think um, it was a final time for you guys to see me. Uh, yes. Anyway, first of all, thank you for all your support until now. And secondly, small enough chit chat. Let's see what's going on today on the workshop. Oh my god, it's so very cold today. So, guys, do you have any idea where we want to go today? Now, 9 o'clock in the morning, because we are in the winter season, there is less work and workshop. So, let's walk and find another workshop. Here, some. Okay. You run away, and it's better to go. Find another workshop. Let's see what do they make. Let's go. So in this workshop here, we this get some pie. شیر دارای کلسیم زیادیه و باعث افزایش شیر مادر میشه. بادام منبع غنی امگا 3 و ویتامین ای. As you can see, before starting work, they must check the orders and produce based on their orders. So let's going on. Hi guys, I find a very special workshop today, and let's see what is this workshop. As you see, this is the frame of the workshop. They make this, the frame of the shoes, to product shoes for the shoe workshops. I think, I don't know, something like that. Let's see, find out. Well guys, today is over. Today we start with the wood workshop, and finally finally we find the shoe mold making workshop, and it's very interesting because I have never seen a workshop like this. I hope you enjoy, and let's walk to me in the workshops. The chicken here, and let's go. This is something like this workshop is like a garage. A lot of garage here, and they make repair. Yes, they repair some cars, and in of the garage, this garage, we have some wood workshop. Okay, that's it. Very well. Goodbye.